Good day, everybody. Welcome back to Flicker Brains. If you're new to this channel and you're looking for a means of learning how to make money with your Google AdSense account, don't worry, you're in the right place. Okay, let's get started. Let's log into our AdSense dashboard. Let's see what we have made so far this month on our account. Okay, looking at the dashboard now, you can see this is our live AdSense dashboard account here. You can see what we have generated on this account this month. So far, you can see what we have generated on the account. I know many of you are saying, why is his account on ad limit? Some of you that are good in loading, we already know that ad limit is inevitable. You can, even if you're doing the right thing, you can just wake up one morning and find this thing pop up in your screen, this ad limit notification. You can find it there. So this thing now, we always have a way to bypass it. So within like 3 to 4 days, this thing will not be here. So it's very temporary. Within like 3 to 4 days to not be here. It's normal to get ad limit. So the main thing is that let the ad limit not last long on your account. Currently now in my website, it's like about 2 ads that is showing a page there. So that's for it. So you can see this last payment. You can see we have received our payments. Normally this money was in balance. If you have been following us in this channel, you know that we normally post every month our payments received. We even post it. If we receive a payment, we post it. So you can see that these are our last payments that we received on this account. So you see we received $26,000 on the account. I'll still show you guys. So you can see our performance from here. You can see what we have done so far. These two moving normally. Okay, that's nevertheless this automation method actually, but because of the ad limit, we are not pushing hard. We are going to do more of traffic today and little of clicks. So we'll remove this ad limit out of the accounts. You understand? We don't push much energy the way we load normally. Okay, let me go to the payment page and show you guys the payments page so you see what we have received. Sorry, I think my network is a bit slow. Okay, so this is my AdSense account. For you that, most of you that have been on this page for a while, you know this is our AdSense account. So you can see it here. This September, you can see it here, $26,000 made on this account. You can see it here, $26,000 on this account. So this method is very, very, very effective. It's very effective. You can even see the previous earnings we made too. From here, you can see it here, $42,000 on the account too. So this account has received a lot of payments in the past. It has received a lot of payments in the past. This is not the first payment it is receiving. This is not the second. This is not even the 20th. You understand? That's why it can carry enough money like this. Okay, let's go back to the home page. So guys, if you're interested in learning this method and you want to understand this, or you just want to add a little bit knowledge to what you already have, you can contact us, ask us few questions. It's not everything that we charge for. There's some knowledge we give out. You just need to ask what you want. You understand? We can help you out, give you some tips too. You understand? Most of the tips we can't give it to you here online. They are not something you can just post online here. So you need to communicate to get some of the information. Okay, so if you will need more access to this method, click on the description box below in this video, contact us and get more inquiries. All right, have a nice day, everybody.